Next presentation by All About Biochar and Plans of Biochar Society of Hyderabad by Dr. N. Sai Bhaskar Reddy. Sai Bhaskar Reddy is a pioneering figure in the field of biochar in India. Commencing his impactful work in 2005, the President of Biochar Society of India, with a wealth of experience of about 25 years, spanning 50 countries and extensive coverage across India. His contributions have been instrumental in agriculture, soil enrichment, climate change mitigation, environmental conservation, and ecological balance. Dr. Reddy's innovative approach includes designing kilns, devising the simple methods, and developing biochar stoves and application techniques such as geochar, all aimed at promoting the sustainability. Furthermore, his dissemination efforts extend to writing books, creating instrumental videos, and other educational materials, amplifying the reach and impact of the biochar solutions. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Madam Dr. Priyanka Varghese, Dean, FCRA College, and Dr. L. Venkatrama Reddy Garu, and all the biochar crusaders here. So today it's an important occasion, and it is truly an honor to stand before you today on this momentous occasion of the inaugural ceremony of the Biochar Society of Hyderabad. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us in this endeavor to catalyze positive change through the promotion of biochar through your respective domains. Biochar, though not a new, it's traditionally applied and used knowingly, unknowingly since centuries, and by people historically, whether it is documented or not, like terra preta of Amazon, that is a huge thing, discovery that was made, and it has emerged as a potent solution in addressing the pressing challenges of our time, particularly in the realms of climate change, carbon credits, sustainable development, agriculture, including the soil amendments, and environmental preservation. Its multifaceted applications make it a panacea for many of the present and future challenges that we face now. The establishment of the Biochar Society of Hyderabad, or at Hyderabad, because that technically when we register they don't allow us to put the name of the city or country, something like that. So it goes by the location. Symbolizes our collective commitment to harnessing the potential of biochar for the betterment of our planet and future generations. And per se, all over India, I think this is one of the best initiatives that happened now, especially from this geographical area. And our aim is clear, to promote the sustainable use of biochar as a powerful tool for addressing various environmental, agriculture and global challenges. Biochar Society of Hyderabad will serve as a dynamic platform for knowledge sharing, networking that's already happening, and advocacy with a long-term vision of establishing an international presence in the field of biochar. And the people who are here, they are a mosaic of different expertise, madam, that intensively they had been working, and already we have that kind of titration. I say the time has come, and now only we are seeing that black color in this titration, that is biochar. And now we have over 100 members actively engaged here in this society that we started from here. And in the practical applications, we are involved at different scales and meeting the diverse needs of various stakeholders. And we are poised to make a significant impact, not only locally, globally, because most of us are also consultants, are outreaching. Our product is not only meant for this geography. So it is for the whole of South India, India, including abroad. So that way the people here are impacting everywhere. Of course, the carbon credit is for the global credit actually, it is not local credit ultimately. And I must acknowledge the instrumental role played by Sri R.K. Mehtaji. A big applause from everybody. So today we are seeing this existence of Biochar Society of Hyderabad continuously is after. Every morning I get a phone call from him. What is happening? Whenever I share even a little small thing that he would appreciate. Similarly, I know each one of you are getting phone calls from him. For his age, I think he is the real crusader. Yeah. Age doesn't matter, but the heart matters and the will matters. And that is happening now. And all the members of this group also need to be acknowledged, because several times we had meetings, discussions, WhatsApp group, even so many discussions here and there goes like, then still we as a group committed for a bigger and better cause. And this is an offshoot of the Biochar Crusaders WhatsApp group that he has started. Although people might think WhatsApp group is for time pass or knowledge sharing or some kind of thing, but I think here something real things are happening through this group. And many respected internationally, I think nearly 300 members are there, globally acknowledged the who is who on Biochar, the best people are related in the WhatsApp group. So bringing that many people together is not a small task, only with the confidence of one person, that is R.K. Mehtaji. And not that we don't even disturb in this group, unlike putting every kind of thing on this earth on Biochar, but we speak only serious things here mostly. So of course members are predominantly hailing from Hyderabad region, but they serve internationally, nationally and regionally. And they are also represent right from, we have farmers like Dakur Venkateshan is here, like many who are practically working at the field level too. And we have civil society groups from cooperatives, government, public sector, private sector, international agencies, organizations, and including individual consultancies that they are doing at different scales. And as we embark on this journey, it's essential to recognize the diverse applications of Biochar, ranging from soil amendment and food security to environmental sustainability and industrial innovations. We have recently tried again and again we are testing actually. We are not believing Biochar as it is, because it's the most miraculous thing. So people, they themselves are putting field trials, and to their surprise 4 times, 5 times productivity is happening. And with that confidence we are going ahead. We are not cheating anybody in this technology. It is unlike a green revolution. It is the most sustainable revolution. This I can say black revolution. Biochar is the black revolution, because decarbonization, carbon is black, so that can only absorb. Blackbird, you know, it can take as much as it can. So all the negativities on this earth it can take. So right from this Biochar holds immense potential in areas such as manufacturing, health, sanitation, green buildings, water treatment, urban gardens, climate change mitigation, energy, like that many areas are there. How and where it is applied and how it is used defines its usability. Use, reuse, like that many concepts are inbuilt in Biochar. That way it adds lots of value. Of course, my personal journey began in 2005, where I embarked on experimental ventures with farmers and conducted rooftop terrapreta experiments. In those days, the Biochar term was not there. Only in 2007, you can test Google Trends. From then, we had been using this Biochar. So, terrapreta, that is black earth. So, that way it all started. So, it's over 2 decades now. And there is surge in demand for Biochar. Suddenly, that much I can say. Last 2-3 years, unlike many people, they have heard about it, but not as much as awareness that we have now. And here it has taken because of the carbon sequestration. That is the biggest thing that all governments are struggling to achieve, because nationally determined contributions, we have taken oath under Paris Agreement, but many countries are far behind. Recently we have submitted also where we stand. I think because everybody need to now put on paper and submit. Otherwise there is no more COP. Every year COP is like entertainment. That is not really happening. But now they are insisting that you have to prove. I think carbon credits have strengthened a lot. That is one big thing. And even $100 USD dollars per ton of CO2 emission, something like we have seen, even $500 exceptionally somebody has done. These kind of market values are there, and that means a lot for every player, right from the farmer to all the stakeholders involved. I think especially stubble burning issue, the biggest challenge that we face in and around NDC, in the around Delhi area. So all this kind of important challenges, production of crop alone is one aspect, but the energy that each biomass generates, or the biochar that we can convert, we can do decarbonation, carbon sequestration, many things that are related, which will add value to the livelihoods of the farmers also. The challenges we face, including land degradation, food security, water and air pollution, all these are existing. Even sustainable development goals, biochar addresses many of the goals. 100% food security by 2050 doubling. How can you achieve? Green revolution has achieved already double over. All those fields in Punjab, Haryana, we know they are fallow lands. Otherwise, why farmers come onto the Delhi again onto the roads? Tell me. MSP is no more supporting. So how do we double? These are the biggest challenges that we have now. So climate emergency, it has been declared. Code red for humanity has been declared. This IPCC reports, sixth assessment report, already they have said. In spite of that, people are not moving. Our especially, I think, policy makers and everybody, the scientists and every community, and they have a role to play here. And there is a need to take immediate and decisive measures in this regard. And Biochar Society is poised to play this vital, pivotal role in endeavor by engaging all stakeholders, fostering networks, creating widespread awareness, and advocating for policy. And inventions also are required in this biochar at different scales. And the value for every ounce of biomass, and ensure that none of it goes as waste, rather creates values. See, farmer is composting or just burning in the open fields. So at least we are trying to make them aware of these values, other values. So let us seize this opportunity to make a meaningful difference. The time for action is now. Together let us forge ahead with determination and purpose, knowing that our efforts today will shape the world of tomorrow. Thank you.